Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, just stopping by, hello, my name is Jennifer. I'd love it if you stuck around and subscribed. And I did a video like this last week and I kind of liked how, I don't know, I kind of liked it. So we're going to do it again today. I have not shown you like my full new, filming setup, but just know I'm in the corner of my bedroom and like directly in front of me, because I'm sitting at an angle, is my bed. My baby and my puppy are laying in the bed. They're watching Little Baby Bum. I haven't muted so I can do this. While I am alone with Ellie, it is extremely difficult for me to film. Editing's not too bad on me. It's really just being able to film without staying up until the crack of dawn and then having to get up a few hours later with Ellie. So I thought today we could just sit down, hang out, get ready together. Here in a minute when I start doing my makeup, I'm just gonna speed it up and throw some music in. So yeah, would you guys like this more if I did like a voiceover explaining what I was doing? I'm not gonna do anything crazy, but yeah, let me know. You can give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it while you're watching, and without further ado, let's get into the video, guys. Ellie got impatient, so I had to go grab her really quickly off of my bed. But say hi, Ellie. Look. Hey, look. Ellie. Oh, she's investigating. Excuse me. Let me leave her alone. You got mommy's lipstick? Yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I literally used this palette to death when I first got it, and I've had it for a minute now. It's probably expired, but the Morphe 350 palette, you can tell that it's been well loved. And I kind of forget I have it because I have to have it in a separate drawer with my James Charles palette because they're pretty big compared to the rest of my palettes. But I really like the way this came out. It's like bronzy, warm tone glam. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I know. What are you doing? I know these videos are not as entertaining, or at least to me, I don't think they're nearly as entertaining as... What the fuck is my name? I don't think they're nearly as entertaining as some of my other videos, but I hope you guys, you know, stick with me, like it, subscribe. You can give it a thumbs up. And I'm gonna get off here. We're gonna get Ellie Belly dressed, and I am low-key wearing pajama pants still, and I just put on a t-shirt I found. So yeah, we're gonna get off here and get dressed now that my makeup is on. You say bye, Ellie. Ugh. Can you say bye? Say bye. Nope, she's not having it. I will talk to you guys later.